The new Silverado 2500 ZR2 Bison and GMC Sierra AT4X AEV Edition are among the most capable off-road trucks today, built to handle tough terrain with advanced suspension and rugged protection. But for those looking to push their truck further, a tire larger than 35 inches provides additional ground clearance and confidence to tackle obstacles. As seen in our thorough testing, the factory setup does not provide enough clearance for 37s. AEV's 37-inch tire clearance kit is the ultimate solution. With options designed specifically for the Silverado and Sierra, these comprehensive kits include precision-engineered brackets, trim templates, and plastic closeout panels. Everything you need to safely and confidently run 37 by 12.5-inch tires on factory wheels or 37 by 13.5-inch tires on AEV Salta XD Wheels. All materials are chosen to perfectly match OEM plastics. The result is a professional, integrated appearance with the rugged performance you demand. Both versions of the AEV 37-inch tire clearance kit are comprehensive and can be installed in your home garage using standard metric hand tools, a jack and jack stands, as well as a cutting tool of your choice. Check the description below for more information, including install guides. Experience the thrill of adventuring farther in your heavy-duty GM truck on 37-inch tires with no compromises. Purchase either the Silverado or Sierra versions of the 37-inch tire clearance kit today at AEVconversions.com or from our network of dealers worldwide.